Good morning, it's Saturday, 4th of April 2020 and the time is 10:25 or so. I'm about to have a breakfast, late breakfast today. It's a 4-fruit salad. I have two red ingredients, well, one red, one black. I have red pitaya and black grapes. I have honeydew and banana, and I've put the juice of one lime and the juice of half a lemon, and my chaat masala, my ground flax seeds, and ground chia seeds, and a packet of sunflower kernels. So these are the sunflower kernels here, you can see. And what do you call it? So I'll let you know later how it tastes like. Well, actually, I can tell you now how it tastes like. It's gonna taste awesome. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.